Hello friends, this is Dr. Saurabh Shah. I'm a dermatologist, cosmetologist and dermatosurgeon practicing out of South Mumbai since the last 8 years. I'm attached to Bhatia Hospital and Wokhar Hospital. Well, today on this auspicious occasion of Akshar Purnima and Bodh Purnima, we are going live with our website drsaurabhshah.com. Especially during this corona pandemic when we are all in a lockdown, this website should really be of great help for all my patients who are looking forward for teleconsultation and online consultation. So just join me opening this website together. We are just 5 seconds away. Come on, join me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, so let me take you through this website. It's drsaurabhshah.com. Here's the home screen where we have all the subheadings of all the services that we offer, the gallery of our photographs. It speaks about us, awards and achievements, and also how to contact us. So let me just take you down. Let's scroll down. Yeah. So this is we offer services in cosmetic dermatology, clinical dermatology, trichology, etc. Well, I am Dr. Saurabh Shah. I am the MD CEO of this clinic, and I have done my MD and DNB examinations from India. I have been a speaker at a lot of national and international conferences, and my main fields of interest, which are of course imparted to me by international stalwarts, are clinical dermatology, trichology, onychology, and cosmetic dermatology. Well, down we get a glimpse of all the services that we offer. That's skin disorders, hair and nail disorders, cosmetology, and laser treatments. We also have specialized treatment packages for him and for her, wherein we can address specific problems that are specific to you depending your age, your sex, etc. These are just a few of our pre and post photographs, before and after photographs. And further down, there is just photocopies of some of my awards that I have won. So, well, honestly, I really don't want to show about this. I just need to be modest. And yes, then there are these testimonials which are trusted patients and our loyal patients have written us. It's really very kind of them to have taken their time out and having written testimonials for us. And then there is the contact details. To the left, we have the quick links. And to the right, we are just a click away from all our social media outreach. So, well, let me just take you through the services that we offer at the clinic. Well, we take pride in offering a good, exhaustive range of services that deal with any disorders pertaining to skin, hair, and nails. When it comes to hair, we do hair transplants, we do the platelet-rich plasma treatment for hair growth, we do mesotherapy, we even combine it with lasers and derma rollers. When it comes to laser treatments, we have 3 awesome lasers at our clinic. Our latest baby being the HIFU, high intensity focus ultrasound. Our previous ones were fractional CO2 laser and IPL, with which we address all sorts of skin scars and pigmentation and acne, etc. We do we treat nail disorders. I have done over 200 ingrowing toenail surgeries, and also pregnancy dermatosis in patients who are pregnant, have a lot of skin and hair issues. Then there is this, we have our days of pediatric skin diseases where we address diseases pertaining only to children. We specialize in pigmentary skin disorders with chemical peels and with our facial masks and with lasers. Then there is, of course, cosmetology, where we address all sorts of cosmetic disorders. We do Botox, botulinum toxin, etc. We do fillers. Clinical dermatology, well, it affects anyone and everyone from infancy till old age. So we are into treatment of all sorts of clinical skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, eczema, vitiligo, urticaria, everything. Then we have a library of peels with us. So we do a lot of chemical peeling, you name it. That's glycolic acid, salicylic acid, yellow peel, Cosmelan, No Melan, each and every one of them. We have a state-of-the-art microdermabrader machine, so we do a lot of skin polishings. Of course, PRP we just spoke about. And last is removal of warts, moles, and milia. Well, we do it routinely at our clinic, removing the warts and moles from the armpits and from around the neck, etc. And well, this is something that is a most sought after treatment called the skin detanning mask. We make it ourselves, and some of them we import from New Zealand and from Rotorua, the specific mud mask from Rotorua. It really has some great benefits. And I would want you all to just log into the website for further details. Let me just quickly take you through the FAQ sections. Yeah, so here is the FAQ where we have all sorts of questions answered of all the routine diseases like acne. Then we have the FAQs answering about eczemas. Then we have the FAQs which answer about psoriasis. Let us go down. That's about eczemas, about how eczemas are cured and what is the treatment of eczema. Further down, we have FAQs on hair loss. So all sorts of basic hair care questions that patients usually shoot at us, whether we should be doing the keratin treatment or what is the best diet for healthy hair and how good or bad is hair transplants. And of course, chemical peel is a big fad these days about which chemical peels to be done when, etc. Then we have a lot of FAQs on pigmentation, especially from the young and middle-aged women. And, and then we have all our questions on psoriasis. Yes. But further down, we have FAQs on vitiligo. It's a big stigma in India. So a lot of matrimonial questions being shot at. Then fractional CO2, that's the latest baby. We do a lot of acne scar correction surgeries and stretch mark removal with that. Glutathione is, of course, the talk of the town. Everyone wants to become fair by popping in a few pills of glutathione. Platelet-rich plasma is also in vogue these days for the treatment of hair and skin and anti-aging. Pregnancy dermatosis, I think that's about it. We have lots of other questions to answer for you. So do visit our website. The last is the contact details. Well, in this section of contact details, we have a very, very crisp questionnaire for you where you just write in your name, your phone number, your email, and your message. And you could quickly just send us a WhatsApp as well. You're on the left side at the corner, you have a WhatsApp button. All you have to do is you just have to send a message and our staff would directly be getting it. And we will get back to you ASAP. So you can email us, you can contact us, you are just a click away from all our social media outreach. Here you have the Google location. So it's a nice, concise, yet a very, very detailed website to answer all your queries, and especially during the lockdown to help you online consultation and teleconsultation as well. So my friends, requesting you once again to visit our website. Thank you so much for all your support. And during this lockdown, stay safe, stay healthy, eat well, sleep well, have a good nutritious diet, and keep yourself posted with all our latest links regarding skin, hair, health, and well-being in general. Thank you so much. Take care.